Hello and welcome back to another Ask Ivy video where I answer common questions about web design, development, and online marketing. For weeks now, I've had a number of people ask me, what is responsive design? So I decided to go ahead and make a video to answer that question. Responsive design is a technique that designers and developers use when coding your website. It's to ensure that all the different elements that make up your website and the content within your website all adapts to whatever device or screen size that you're viewing your website on. There are two very important reasons why, as a business owner, you should always make sure that your blog, your landing page, or your website is responsive. The number one reason is for a better user experience. A big percentage of your visitors will be visiting your website with the use of a tablet, a mini laptop, or a cell phone, which means that your website will need to be able to adjust to whatever screen resolution or the size of the device that your visitors are using. Else your website would display very small and hard to read content or be cropped off altogether. Here's a quick demonstration on how responsive websites function. This is also a great way to test your website or any other website to see if it's responsive. For this demonstration, I'm going to use two separate websites. Both websites will create with mobile in mind. So that means they have a responsive design to them. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser. You want to type in the website. Once you have your website up, the next thing you want to do is you want to go all the way to the upper right corner and you want to find the double screen icon. Click on that and you'll see that the browser resized. Right now it's in mobile view, which means this is exactly how the site would appear on your cell phone. Notice that the menu has collapsed. So you would simply click on this, open up the menu, and you see all the buttons. The images adjust to the screen size. The content shrinks, but still very readable. Even if you have a video, that'll resize depending on the screen. So what I just did is you want to come over here and you want to make sure that the double arrow icon shows up on the side of your browser. You want to click, hold it, and then drag your screen. You'll notice that the site makes adjustments depending on the screen size. So this would be equal to a mini laptop. Drag some more. This would be your tablet view. That's exactly how it would look on your tablet device. And once again, this would be your mobile view. I'm going to go ahead and open up the second site so you'll see. Here's that collapsible menu. Another video. Tablet view. mini laptop. And desktop view. There is another technique that you can use. So let's say you have only a Chrome browser. You want to come over here to the upper right, click on this little collapsible menu icon. Look for More Tools, Developers Tools. Then you want to come up to the left, click on this little phone icon that says Toggle Device Mode. Click on that. And as you can see, the Yahoo landing page is not responsive. This is how your site would react if it wasn't responsive. It would simply be cropped off. And you don't want that for your users. So you go ahead and type in your website. And as you can see, this website is fully responsive. You can come up here to the right and you can pick any device you want to test out the website. Let's go to an Apple iPad. There's that iPad view. Let's go to the iPhone 6 Plus. And once again, the site adjusts to the screen size. So any one of these techniques can be used to see if your site is responsive. If you want to test it with multiple devices, using the Chrome technique is probably the best way to go. Let's go to a laptop. Let's go over one last method you can use. You can simply go to Google, type in Google Responsive Design Test. Most likely it'll be the first one to show up, the mobile friendly test. You want to go ahead and click on that and put in your site's URL and hit Analyze. And as you can see, it says awesome. This page is mobile friendly. They show you a quick preview of how your site appears on a cell phone. And that's it. Reason number 2 is for ranking in search engines. Google now pays very close attention to websites to make sure that they're mobile friendly, which in other words is responsive. They give special privileges to websites that have mobile friendly functionality. They now use the fact that your site is or isn't responsive to decide where to rank you in search engines. So if you didn't have a reason before to make sure that your site was responsive, marketing online alone in the search engine, especially Google, is a good enough reason. Google knows that a responsive website makes your website even more user-friendly. Thanks for tuning in to another Ask Ivy video. I really hope that this video was able to help answer that question and give you a better understanding of what responsive design is. If you want to read more about responsive design, go ahead and visit the link below, visit my blog. If you like this video or want to see more, subscribe to my channel, share my video, push that like button. See you soon. Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I have more helpful videos coming your way soon, more Ask Ivy coming your way soon. Please stay tuned.